Hello there and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today a few weeks ago, I was given a gift by a gentleman who is a coin tuber in his own right, and he is very well known as a coin tuber, and that's Glenn, or as he's better known to most of you. You'll probably recognise that or those more than the name. It's Macken Moolah coins, or is it Macken Moolah coins or Macken Moolah? I don't think he's just known as Macken Moolah now. And he wrote me a note saying, "Hope this finds you well," or "Hi Steve, I hope you find this finds you well. Further to your 10p and 20p date run video." Now that was a couple of months ago. "I noticed you had a few empty spaces. Therefore, I've enclosed some coins to fill a few of those blanks." I'm really grateful for that, Glenn. I really am. I'm sure I had a Lion 10p spare as well, but can't seem to find it. Well, don't worry about that too much. I'm grateful for what you've given me. You will notice I have included 4 1992 10p's. The reason for this is there are 5 variants of that particular year. The first one is a wired edge or a thin edge. This is a type 1A, and only the wired edge are this variant. So what Glenn has done is he's given me a whole set of coins here, and I think the top row is the 1990, it says 1992. I think this top row here are the 1992 ones. So there's 5 variants of this particular 10p. The first one, as he said, is that there is a wired edge or a thin edge. This is type 1A, and only the wired edge are this variant. The other 3 are known as flat edges. The first type 1A, the second type 1B, the third is 2B, and I'm still looking for a type 2A. Well, that's fair enough. You know, it's not easy to get hold of these coins always. You can check on your Mister the differences, but basically it's the number 1 being aligned to the dot or between the dots on the reverse, while the obverse of the letter L, I and A in Elizabeth are also either between the dots or aligned to the dots. I've included a few of the bits as well. Keep up the video content. Regards, Glenn, Macken Moolah. Well, this is what Glenn sent me. I've done some of the checks, and these will be very nearly in the near future put into flips and into my collection. I am getting another date run together with an updated date run, so this is where these will go in. There are 2 large ones on the end here, which means to say they were what was it, 2000, was it 1995? Or was it? These are 1997 and 1976, I think, which are 2 of the years I'm definitely missing. So all of these will be flipped and put into my collection, and when I do the update run of this, which will be in the very near future, I'm looking hopefully possibly by sort of this time at the end of June. Hopefully I'll have the video ready by then, but because it's a date run one and I have a lot of coins that I need to sort out for my date runs, it may be that I do them in stages. So I may do the 10p and the 20p's together and the 1s, 2s and 5s separately, or in a video for all of those together. I still haven't yet. I've still to do a 50p date run. I'm still sorting that out as well. So there's a little bit for me still to do. Now the 10p's he sent me 4 from 1992, a 1997, a year 2000, a 2002, a 2007, a 2008, a 2017, a 1977 and a 1979. Now that's great because these ones that I need for my collection, he's seen my 10p date run as it stood and he had these extras, so I'm very, very grateful to Glenn for sending those on to me. The second part of this video, or the next part of this video, is to do with some 20p's that he saw that I needed. Now these are all the original design, which is the Tudor Rose design. So they're all going to be dated from 1980, well the ones that he sent me are from 1987, 1989, 1990, 1995 and 1996. And if we just go down a little bit, you can perhaps see that they are the Tudor Rose design. So there's 5 more coins. You know, I'm not sure what I've done to deserve this from Glenn, but I'm so very happy that he did send them to me. So the final one, oh yes, we had to have it. The Macken Moolah signed Benji Bunny, Mr. B Bunny. I'm collecting these. I'm not sure if I have them to hand. I think I might have actually. Let me just check. No, unfortunately I don't. I thought I had them to hand, but I don't. So I'm going to have to sort through my books and add this one to it. It's one that I'm very happy to accept. I did actually send him one on when I sent some stuff on to him a little while ago. So I've got the signed bunny, which is very important. I've got the 20p's and I've got the 10p's, and I've also got the what do they call it? His areas, his stickers for his channel stickers. I knew I'd get there eventually and go daft in my old age. So could you please help me saying a big thank you to Glenn for everything he's done. He didn't have to do this for me, and it was a surprise, a very nice surprise, when he said he was sending me a couple of coins. I wasn't quite expecting this amount, and I'm extremely grateful that he's helped me fill in some blanks in my collection. Coin tubers in general, if they've got something somebody else needs, we're quite happy to say, here you are, I've got a spare one, have it with my blessings and help with your collection. And Glenn has done that for me today, and I'm so thankful to him. I really am. So Glenn, thank you. If you want to put it in the bottom, your thanks on my behalf, I would be grateful in the comments. I'll put a link into Glenn's channel, Macken Moolah, and enjoy his coin hunts. He took part just recently in the bank holiday extravaganza for the coin hunt, 50p coin hunt, and he did quite well in it. So I'll link down to his channel. If you haven't seen him, go and have a look at him and give him a subscribe if you want to, if you wish to. So in closing from me, thanks Glenn, and if you're having a hunt, I hope you all have a successful hunt and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. As of every year, I'm trying to grow my channel again this year, so if you have enjoyed this video, please would you give me the thumbs up, and also if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe if you believe I deserve it. I am aiming for 250 by Christmas, New Year time, and with your help I will get there. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from from me, thank you, and for now, bye bye. See you soon. Ta-da.